heading out. It's our day of biking, and we are going to go to grab some food. Another beautiful day in Memphis. We're going to head to Gus's World Fried Chicken Restaurant, world famous, whatever. Saw it on Man vs Food. We've not had any world famous chicken here, have we guys?
Oh yeah.
This place has got to be good because we're queuing for how long? Half an hour, and we are hungry. Can I get a two-piece one?
Same question for you, beans and coleslaw?
Yeah. And can I also get a small mac and cheese as well?
Beautiful. Perfect.
Three-piece chicken. Mac and cheese. And a two-piece chicken. World-class chicken. World's best chicken. As seen on Man vs Food. Ooh, it's piping hot. Burning oil, and then licking a hot exhaust. Let's try the mac and cheese instead. I could happily just order a big bowl of his mac and cheese. I don't need a chicken. Alright, let's try again with the chicken. It's still steaming hot. The batter's really good, really crispy. Really well seasoned. Got a bit of spice to it as well. A little tiny kick. A generous piece of chicken.
I got two of them.
yeah, I think I'm happy with my little baby portion. Yeah. So juicy inside, I mean. Yeah. I think there's a reason why there's a half an hour queue in this tiny little restaurant for this chicken. I say it just beats KFC. Never tried sweet potato pie. Never wanted to try sweet potato pie, but it was on the menu. Bon appetit. Oh, wow. It's interesting. A lot sweeter than I was expecting.
Have you pushed that way because you don't want any more? Is it for me to try?
Pushing it over for guys to have a try now. No, the taste is super sweet. Like, consistency is a little bit weird. My brain can't get over that this is a dessert and it's sweet potato, or not a mash or whatever. If I didn't know about the potato, I'd probably really like it a lot more than what else can I say? Different. So Gus's chicken, yes, amazing. Come see that one, but sweet potato pie, I'm on the fence with. Mississippi. Exciting. Just walking into the hotel after food. Great chicken. Some dude was using jumper cables to start his car. And smoke started pouring out, so I grabbed a camera, and before you know it, the car was on fire. Fire service. Awesome. America. Right, just leaving the hotel again. One last thing I want to get ticked off the list before leaving Memphis is, we've heard there's a burger pretty famous in Memphis down on Bill Street again. It's cooked in 100-year-old grease. Gaz isn't having it. Looks like it's down to me to face the 100-year-old grease burger. Get the Dyer's double.
Do you want cheese on it?
Yes, please. Can also get the homemade chili.
Do you want a bowl or do you want an egg?
I'll have a bowl of that, please. Yeah. And this is made with what, 100-year grease or
The
whatever?
chili is not.
Not the chili.
The burgers are.
I'm hoping the chili's not made with 100-year grease.
Not the chili.
Otherwise, I'd be leaving.
The burgers are.
There we go. Chili, the 100-year-old grease burger. Boom. And homemade fries. I suppose let's start off with the least offensive.
Chips.
Chips. And that is a solid chili. Well, the main event is very greasy already, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I wasn't expecting so much grease with a 100-year grease famous burger. That's good. Is it? That is good. Guys have come up with a great description of this. This 100-year grease, world famous, whatever. It's like a greasy double cheeseburger from McDonald's. And I guess that's maybe why I'm enjoying it. Yeah, I'd recommend it. I'd say that that's, if you're looking for tasty, greasy McDonald's.
I think end up in that.
Well, I think we're broken now. Broken?
Yeah, pretty much. It's time to get. I was going to say it's time to get back to a little bit just riding and nature, but we've got Nashville tomorrow, so one more night in cities and partying, and then we're going to hit the Blue Ridge Mountains.
I cannot wait. So we got one more crazy day in Nashville, but then after that we're going to hit nature and smash it. Find a little log cabin, we'll sleep, just sleep. I need sleep. Memphis, cool. See you later.